prodigal son, any fugitive or outlawed person that happens to abscond into another community, claim it, and started abusing his origin, where he comes from.
Asaridokubo, the elder statesman, the senior, Asari come and say that he'll be relocating to Abia state, you know, that is from Abia, you know, in Abia, you know, Equator, that is finally relocating to Abia state. Is it that people have come and say that I think he's somebody that like good thing? He has seen the development that Otti is putting in Abia state, so he has decided to relocate to Abia state, the home of so now he's claiming that he's an evil man. So what can you say to this?
Yeah, let me tell you, in the recent time, I saw it on the media, even I read it, discussed it with some of my friends, that asaridokubo, the self-acclaimed Kalahari man, that's an Igbo man, has now come out from his chair to meet one of the southeastern governors. I think he met with Alesot, that he wants to come back to his ancestral land, that is Abia state. He is from Abia state, and people were like, this man has done much, you know, havoc in Igbo land or to Igbo man. So why is he retracting from the former abuse, from the former tormentation of the Igbo race? He's not claiming that he is an Igbo man. So that's the current outcry. But I will tell you that asaridokubo, Emeka Diabale, is 100% Igbo. Igbo by birth, Igbo ancestrally, Igbo by fiscal. I mean fiscal fisher. So let me tell you, it is when a man is ostracized or banished from his kinsmen that he will begin to learn how to approach what issues bordering on sanitization of any person's clan. In your clan, in your community, you have your kinsmen among your clans. See, let me tell you, you learn how to approach your clans, your kinsmen. You don't brag with your kinsmen, because if they turn their back on you, when you die, your body will what? Will rotting. Even on the ground to bury you, your burial ground, they will not accept it, because the land belongs to your kinsmen. So this time around, asaridokubo has begun to understand that now. Anybody that says, I want to be on my own, maybe you have money or you have other influences that you think others don't have. I spoke in Igbo, you should remember what? When you will die. Death, cross, coming. When death comes and you bow to death, remember, someone should dig your grave. Someone should convey your body and bury you. I didn't understand. So what I'm trying to say is that asaridokubo has begun to understand that without his kinsmen, nobody's gonna bury him. He will die and rotting. So this time, if you want to just maybe make an amendment, you should go to Akole. Igbos don't reject anybody, their own that comes to them. So you go to Akole, you make peace with them, then he goes to where his mother comes from, because he debunked it that his mother is a bastard. He debunked it that his father is a bastard, which is wrong. When you say you're not from a place, you made yourself a bastard. So what I'm trying to suggest here is that he had a very long way to go, so that he could pacify with the ancestors, that is our father, then pacify, make peace, pacification with his what? His community currently at Akole, Abia state. So it's a welcome situation. Any slave, any prodigal son, any fugitive or outlawed person that happens to abscond into another community, claim it, and started abusing his origin, where he comes from. Before you go back, make sure that you make peace, not with only your kinsmen or clans, but with the land. I mean the earth crust. Because if you don't, we can assure you, I will tell you that the earth speaks. God speaks to the earth as he forms it and breath into Adam, and Adam comes into being. There's nothing that God has created that doesn't have soul. Even the stone has what? Stones. They have souls. So what I'm trying to say is that he must make sure that he makes peace with the what? Anna, Ndiane, and Ezodoloko. You can speak to the land, to the ground with authority. It will obey you. So asaridokubo must go back to his communities, apologize to them, do the needful traditionally as in within Igbo's context, so that maybe it might be accepted and incorporated or integrated, reintegrated with his kinsmen.
But some Igbos will tell you that I think maybe because it's not this present government and the Fulanis, they put him aside. That's why he's coming to pretend as if he's an Igbo man. That after some time now, you start seeing asaridokubo going back to his normal old behavior.
No, listen good. Myself, I'm from Anambra State. I know that asaridokubo is not a job. Asaridokubo is from Uzo Akole. Don't you listen to what I'm saying. Do you think I'm just saying it in the name of saying it? I'm saying it based on what I know, a concrete information. Nobody did inform me. I know that asaridokubo is an Igbo man from Abia State. Asaridokubo's origin is the same with this Chinedu, our colleague. The same area they came from. Asaridokubo is an Igbo man. I'm telling you what I know now.
I know. I'm
saying him into his community. He's not gonna mess up. He's going to do what? Specify things with his kinsmen. There's a way you do it. They will allow you. I don't know what I understand.
Yeah.
But if he goes back to Abia State and starts constituting nuisance there, I think the earth will open up. Asaridokubo will go down. That's it.
Don't you see Fulani herdsmen killing Biafra land? Is it agitation that caused it? We that agitating that caused it? Don't see Lord Panther. What was happening in Lord Panther before LSOT entered tell them to go? The kidnappings in Lord Panther, is it Biafrans are kidnapping it? The agitators are kidnapping it to be a president of Nigeria. Not we are not capable to be a president of Nigeria. And this should remind Peter Obi and co. Igbo politician,
Northern leader and then the vice president during a meeting has come out to conclude that the way the Igbos are their problem, of themselves. That the way they agitate, whenever they are holding any major event, you've seen like even in the last concluded May 30th Independence Biafra's Day, we saw what 5 army that were killed in Abia State, Abia. So they've come and said that the Igbos, with the way they are agitating, number one, they might not become president of Nigeria. They might never become the president of Nigeria. And secondly, the way they agitate very aggressively, and we've seen the way they've killed the northern people in Port Harcourt, in the east and even in the south side. That the way they kill people, it will not make them, get what they want instantly and the freedom they want, and they might not become president of Nigeria. That they should pipe down with their aggression, agitate for Biafra. Now other tribes, so the Ododuwa and the Arewa, they also agitate, but not as aggressive as the Biafrans.
I am Mr. Paradeni Okokondem in this Republic of Biafra, Liba Mazin nnamdikanu and his IPOB government of Biafra. Father Yahweh, I thank thee, I bless thee, I magnify your name for keeping nnamdikanu alive. I thank you for securing someone ekpa in Finland, and I thank you for using Finland people to accommodate him. I thank you for all our fans all over the world. How you give them good health, joy and happiness, long life and prosperity. Father, be blessed, be magnified in Jesus' name. Even I thank you for the love you have granted to Shetima, the first president of Nigeria, to come out and speak what you have said. They are the and other Arewa leaders. Father, be blessed, be magnified in Jesus' name. Okay. That Biafran have right to agitate. That is not against Biafran agitation, but the way they agitating it is what he don't like, which means he have agreed that the Biafra have right to agitate for their independence, to agitate for them leaving Nigeria. Biafran are right agitating for the evil be done unto them by Nigeria, which is part of the Nigeria. But the way we are doing is what is not good. You don't like. We cannot do it to his own likeness. That's number one. Number two, There's no way we will do it, it will please him. That's number 2. But I want to remind him that what he said, that we cannot be a president of Nigeria in the way we are agitating, is lying. Even before we start agitating, have they allowed us to be the president? Only a man who tried to be a president or head of state of Nigeria, where do they put him? You don't see, under 6 months. They send him on timely grave. They say we cannot be we cannot be president of Nigeria because they are the ones don't want us to be a president of Nigeria. The West, Yorubas don't want us to be a president of Nigeria. Not we are not capable to be a president of Nigeria. And this should remind people to be co and co. Ohanes and Igbo, Igbo politicians, Igbo reps, Igbo national rulers, agitating every election, they come out. Chi hoi, chi hoi, chi hoi. Sabu effing by effing. What effing by is what is sabuing you. They will carry flag, they want to be Nigerian president. Have you heard the truth that he can never be Nigerian president? Even for the mouth of the vice president. Thank God they are hearing the truth now. And the Shetima, other words you speak or you have spoken is out of track, out of point. No facts, no evidence that Igbos are aggressive to you Northerners. Igbos are not aggressive to you Northerners. If we are aggressive to you Northerners, we cannot leave our place to come and develop your place for you. We cannot allow you to take our oil and gas to develop your place, develop Abuja. If we were aggressors people, we can pay you back what you did to us. 1966. Anarchy in the north. Kill the whole Igbos. Carry water to our place and kill us. We defend ourselves. Is it why we are aggressors? In rivers, we are saying they were killed in rivers. Can you bring facts? How many Northerners killed in the rivers since this dispensation? After Biafra and Nigerian war, can you bring Shetima, vice president? Can you bring evidence? How many Northerners were killed in rivers? We are aggressors. You were there looking for Nigerian army, seeing them carrying their weapons in Biafra land, killing us. You are there since Buhari regime. They stole Usotima from Ebubagu. Fulani enter into Ebubagu, carrying uniform in the name of Ebubagu, killing our people. And then you say we are aggressors. The way we are agitating. You want to agitate, to fold our hand and be exterminated out of the surface of the earth. That time we will be pleased. Now we are trying to refine people in rivers that they are Igbos. Thank God he said the truth again in this area. That if people in rivers, call Kalabari, call Ijo, call whatever in rivers, that they are Igbos, because they have said if rivers belong to Igbos, how we are clean the Northerners in rivers. But the people in rivers do not accept they are Igbo, they are Biafrans. Part of Ikwere, some of Ikwere, some asaridokubo and Kalabari, and some Ijos they have received. Said they are not Igbos, they are not Biafrans. Thank God. Now we are proving to them, reminding them to them, whether they like it or not, they are Nyamri, they are Omibos, they are Biafrans. Let them rethink of themselves. The people you want to sojourn yourself, Nigeria you want to follow, Fulani you want to follow. I've told you now that please, you are not part of us indirectly now. Have you seen it? Then Shetima giving example of May, 30th May, the people that were killed in Abia. Who do we kill? Are they not on us? How How many people there that die? If 3/4 of them, the one that killed them. Biafrans are the one that killed them. Unknown gunmen killed them, not Biafran. Not Biafran Liberation Army. Not Biafran Resistance Force. Not ESN. Not Biafran League. Not Biafran National Guide. Not Biafran Black Marine. Kill them. What they say, unknown gunmen. Unknown gunmen can be anybody. Unknown gunmen can be even Fulani. They can be even they follow Nigerian army. Unknown gunmen can be anybody. Unknown gunmen can be organized political talks of Eastern politicians. It can be to rubbish IPOB autopilot, to rubbish the effort of LSOT in Abia State. After all, those people have died there, how many Fulani are among them? How many Fulani? It's all of them, not indigenous people of Biafra. In the name, they died on behalf of Nigeria. Who killed them? Nobody knows. Unknown government. Then why do you refer it as if it's the Biafran agitators killed them? Any proof? Any evidence? And after that, how many people, Biafran indigenous, die because of it? Over 300 souls died because of that. Okay, the one that happened in Okoma, that the president give marching order, is it IPOB did it? Is it Biafran agitators did it? You are saying the way we are doing it. The way we are doing it. The way we are doing it. Anyway, I thank God